Welcome to another inverted driving video. Today I'm showing you why you don't need a $150,000 overlanding setup and a stock-ish Land Cruiser can do for you out on the trails. We gotta move this thing out of the way. Usually when we go out, we use something like this to tow something like that. This has triple lockers, center diff lock, rear air locker, front air locker. Watch the roof. The only thing is we've got this Ironman 4x4 winch here, but we do not have a winch remote. So no need for a winch when you've got some Amazon Max Tracks. No lift, no lockers, just a center diff lock, your friends, and you're good to go. Gonna be there with this Tundra as well, which is lifted, no lockers, but definitely more ground clearance than this rear bumper. We just got into the park. First thing you notice is tire pressures. So before you go complaining that your suspension sucks, it's too harsh, you need some king, drop your tire pressures. That's the number one thing to do that a lot of people forget or they don't do enough. And so I'm gonna go, I probably am at 36 all around. What you need to drop your tire pressures is a quality air gauge. This thing drops them super fast. We got the BBS Forge. Probably gonna go to 25. We'll start there and we'll see how it goes. Remember, this is stock suspension with 134,000 miles. I've towed the Defender around. The suspension is gone. There's not a lot left, so this is more of a comparison for a future upgrade to the car. But for now, I want to see what's a stock Land Cruiser like. What can we do out here? So the next thing you need are communications between you and the people you're with. I have this mess of a Midland GMRS radio that goes from car to car to car. You plug it into the cigarette lighter, pop the little magnet on the roof, and then you have your... Don't have somebody to hop out of the car and spot for you, then with the radio, at least you have the car behind you. So I'm gonna hook this up, it'll look a little better. But it's 100% necessary. drawer setup, and all the fancy shit that everybody loves to put in these things. There are guys who spend $150,000 building these out, but I am not one of those guys. Very simple. Just try to build a platform for a little 3-inch sleeping mattress. Underneath the mattress, an EcoFlow 2000 watt generator powering this Mega Coolers fridge. You'd be surprised what a $300 fridge can get you compared to those $1,000 ARBs. For the EcoFlow, we got the solar panel, we got the Amazon special LED headlamp, the little portable camp chair, camera gear, and the Pelican. That's the only thing that warrants something fancy is your expensive equipment. Put it in a nice box. Then I have these Huskies from Home Depot. When you're at the campsite, you can just kind of slide them underneath the truck, leave them there, get them out of the way. The EcoFlow just running sideways. Plugged into the cigarette lighter, but then also have the AC plug for the fast charging whenever I'm at home. So I'm gonna go ahead and hop in this and show you how easily you can sleep in these things with just a simple mattress. I'm 5'11" and fit just fine in here. I much prefer sleeping inside the vehicles than outside in a tent or even in a rooftop tent. Not having all the fabric in the wind all night is a game changer. You honestly have everything that one of those $150,000 rigs has, but this probably cost me less than 500 bucks for all this. No fancy suspension, no fancy setup, but gets you outside. We're gonna go keep hitting the trails. Another feature here is the turn assist. Turn assist not available. Activate crawl control. Turn assist. Look at the drag mark on that. That's a tight turn coming around. There's no way I would have been able to clear it just like that. Good old BF Goodrich. Did get a few scratches that I hope buff out, but nothing too bad for now. And our friends over there. Sick FJ Cruiser and Cayenne with the massive lift. Yeah, and a sick LR3. Yeah, that's nice. We love Rovers more than anything, but we're out in the Toyotas today so that we actually make it home.
No brakes the whole trip. This thing's geared pretty low. other side of this dip is where we crossed over before. If we want to do that same like riverbed cross and go up there, we can do that. Come into the back of the campground.
Let's do it. Do better. Pick up your fucking trash. That wasn't you, was it?
No.
All right, recap, Cole. How was it?
It's been a great day. I think we did around 30 miles of trails today, which was great. Both vehicles performed.
Stock suspension or lifted? Did it make a difference?
This thing on stock suspension I don't think would have done as well. That thing's stock suspension is far superior. So yeah, a great day. I think we both did more than we expected, so no complaints.
If you made it this far in the video, please hit the like, comment, subscribe, check out Instagram for more frequent content. We've got a big group of friends with a lot of cool cars, and we're excited to show a lot more on YouTube about all the builds and trips we do with them. So subscribe for more.